Series. I'm Carly.
And I'm Shai. And in student life news, Ryan Reynolds playing a snail who embarks on a mission to win the Indy 500, unlimited tacos, s'mores, who would want to miss that? Come to the block party tomorrow from 6 to 9 p.m. to take part in the fun. Tickets are on sale today during lunch and A block for $15. Remember, it's $5 more at the door.
Orientation follow-up. During orientation last week, our freshman and sophomore C blocks were asked to complete a structure using random items in a mystery box. The theme was, what does it mean to be a Lasallian student? Last Friday, the seniors, faculty, and staff voted on which submission was the most creative, on point for the theme, and lastly, honorable mention.
Congratulations to the following C blocks. For the freshmen, most creative goes to Ms. Harkness and Ms. LeClaire. On point with theme goes to Ms. Sakowitz and Mr. Leach, and an honorable mention for Ms. McManus's C block. As for the sophomores, most creative goes to Mr. Lawson. On point with theme goes to Ms. Miller, an honorable mention for Mr. Vaughn's C block.
Winners will receive a treat during today's C block, but better yet, have bragging rights for the rest of the school year. Thank you all for participating. You did a great job.
And freshmen, you have a meeting with your counselors today during C block. Please note the locations for your workshop. Mr. Vaughn will meet his students in the library. Ms. McConnell will meet her students in the auditorium, and Ms. Panlilio will meet her students in Frady's 311.
Attention all juniors and seniors. CSF applications are now being accepted. California Scholarship Federation is an honor society. Students with very good grades during their sophomore senior trimesters are eligible to apply. CSF forms for juniors and seniors from your last spring T3 grades are available on PowerSchool. If you are eligible, please fill out the form electronically and submit the form with a screenshot of your T3 grades from last year to Ms. McManus by 3 p.m. on September 13th. If you have any questions with the form, please see Ms. McManus in Frady's 311.
And in college counseling news, seniors, the following colleges are on campus today. First, from the Windy City in Illinois is the University of Chicago during mandatory study time. And then from SoCal and Ms. Chua's favorite college, Loyola Marymount University, aka LMU, is here during lunch.
And we start a new feature today as the entire crew hopped into Leo's car for this special recording.
Anyway, what's up, gang? We're doing Karpool Karaoke today, so we're picking up everybody. So, yeah, let's do that. Is it hearable?
No.
Audible.
I can't hear
Wait,
it.
audible?
Oh, okay.
This
Wait,
is
I can
this is instrumental.
Wait,
Yeah.
wait, don't ask me.
You got late. Wait, oh. No, but now it's singing.
What were your guys' favorite songs when you were little?
Pompeii.
Oh, that's fire. That's a fire take.
All of 1989 by Taylor Swift.
You guys know that Safe and Sound by Capital Cities? That was a banger.
Dude, it was always Fireflies for me.
Yes!
Slowly, it's hard to say, I'd rather stay awake when I'm
She doesn't know the words!
Go back to Unwritten.
Can't do that.
I kind of hate that.
My
song.
back
I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I know Spotify has lyrics.
Boring.
It's okay, but.
I don't even remember the lyrics.
Did you guys watch
I
that
only
movie
know,
with
yes,
with-
anyone
Yeah,
but
with
you.
yeah.
That was a fire.
What movie?
I was good.
I
I watched that at
I
like
watched
midnight.
it twice.
I saw it
back
twice.
on the same
Page
page.
before you open up the dirty window. Let the sun illuminate the words that you cannot hold. Reaching for something in the distance. So close you can almost taste it.
Just looking at the lyrics.
Your inhibitions. Feel the rain on your skin. No one else can feel it for you. Only you can let it in. No one else can speak the words on your lips. Dude,
You're gonna hit that car!
That was so fun to record.
That was
I
a
hope
great
you all
time.
Enjoyed watching.
I
it.
still love Fireflies.
Yeah.
Now here's Alexa with your Panther Athletics.
Those athletes still interested in joining cross country, sign up will continue today through Friday, September 6th. If interested, please see either Mr. Rogers, Mr. Moen, Mr. Suffin, or Miss Corwin. And today is the last day to sign up for cheer. If you're interested, please come to practice in the Shea Center at 6 p.m. to meet the coaches. All are welcome. And later today, we have the girls' tennis team who's traveling to Salesian for their match. Then tonight, in girls' volleyball, Head Royce comes here to Hagler Court for a big game. JV is at 5:30 and varsity is at 7. Now, that's it for sports. Back to Carly and Shai.
Thanks, Alexa. Here's a look back at August student birthdays.
We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. Happy, happy birthday. Oh, this is your birthday song. Oh, celebration all night long. Oh, may all your dreams come true. We sing all together. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday celebration. Party night, could feel the vibration. Lights are bright, we're feeling alright. We're dancing till the morning light. Happy birthday celebration. Everybody get the temptation. Once again, this is your night, and everyone feels right. Happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
And a very happy birthday today to Logan Donaville,
Mian Wen,
Trevor Walton,
Ms. Davy.
and Dr. Troyani.
Happy, happy birthday from all of us to you. We wish you happy birthday so we can party too. Hooray!
And before we wrap up, here's what's cooking in the Shea Cafe. It's a global adventure with beef or veggie bolognese and pasta, fried chicken with creamy mac and cheese, and organic mixed greens with grilled chicken and feta cheese.
That's it for today.
Have a great day, St. Mary's.